Hi, I hope you're okay. We're going to do a bit of, what was it? A fraction divided by a whole number now. Okay, let me prepare myself, get the screen ready. Okay, um, okay, all right. So let's make a start. There you go. So question one, a fraction divided by a whole number. Why am I colouring that in like that? I've no idea. 7/10 divided by 4. Remember, if it's a whole number, you can put a line and put 1 underneath it. Now, there's different ways, and we can play with those different ways. It's absolutely fine. So one of the ways is keep, change, flip. Keep the fraction, change the sign, turn it upside down. So that goes upside down, and that divide turns into a multiply. All right, so that's one strategy. Another strategy is, so what we do is we do 7/10 and we divide it by, we change the denominator. So we make it into tenths. So what I would do is turn quarters. No, we wouldn't do quarters, would we? Let me do it underneath here. It would make more sense for me to do it here, wouldn't it? So if I did 7/10 there divided by, now I want to try and get tenths underneath. So I'm going to turn four wholes into tenths. So to turn wholes into tenths, I've got to multiply by 10 tenths. And that's keeping it the same. Look, 10 tenths is actually 1 over 1, which is 1. It keeps it the same. We're just changing the numbers so we can manipulate it better. So 4 multiplied by 10 is 40, and 1 times 10 is 10. So I would have talked about this before, but let's just talk about it again. So if I had 5, remember it's a whole number. And if it's a whole number, it means 5 wholes, which means 5 ones. When you do, say 5 take away 3 is 2, do you do this? No. You know they're all the same. So you only have to worry about the top. In this situation, because both fractions have 10 underneath, they're the same. So you don't have to worry about the bottom. You just have to worry about the top. All right, so you've got 7/10 divided by 40/10, which is the same as saying 7 divided by 40. And you know that line is the same as saying 7 divided by 40. Okay, if I do this here, right, so we've got the keep, change, flip. Keep the 7/10, change the sign from divide to multiply, and flip the fraction round. Let's see what happens. 7 times 1 is 7, 10 times 4 is 40. Got the same fraction. So it depends which way you want to do it. I'd say that secondary schools generally are probably erring, I mean, I might be completely and utterly wrong, but the ones I know are probably erring on the side of doing it this way, because it's not learning a strategy so much as it's learning what to do and to manipulate the fractions. It's more conceptual. It's more about the idea rather than a process. So let's just go down and we'll do number 2. And I'll do it both ways and you can just choose which you want to do. Number 2. So 5/9 divided by 3. Okay, And I'm going to write it here underneath. I'm going to do each one both times. Do that. I'm going to do that. Keep, change, flip. 5 times 1 is 5, 9 times 3 is 27. I'm going to do, I need to keep the denominators the same. So I'm going to multiply this fraction by 9/9. So that's 3 times 9 is 27, and 1 times 9 is 9. So that equals 5 27ths. Okay. All right. So we're on number 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 sevenths divided by 6. I'm going to say 6 wholes. 2 sevenths divided by 6. So I'm going to keep, change, flip. And I can simplify that by dividing the top and bottom by 2. So I have that as my answer. 2 sevenths divided by 6 wholes. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep 2 sevenths and I'm going to divide it by, and I'm going to turn this into, I'm going to multiply by 7 sevenths. 6 sevens are 42, and 1 times 7 is 7. Now that's the same as saying 2 divided by 42, or 2 divided by 42, and that's 1/21. Okay, so on number 4. One, 2, 3, 4. 3/4 divided by 8. 8 wholes. 3/4 divided by 8. Okay. So we've got to keep, change, flip. 3 times 1 is 3. 4 times 8. 2 8's 16. 3 8's 24. 4 8's 32. So we're going to do 3/4 divided by, now what do? We need to have the denominators the same, so we're multiplying all of that by, because we need to get that 1 to be a 4. So we're going to multiply by 4/4. 4 times, because it's 4/4 is 1, but 4 8's are 32, and 4 times 1 is 4. Now we've got the denominators the same. That's the same as saying 3 divided by 32, which is exactly the same. And let's do, I think we're on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1/8 divided by 4. 4 wholes, which is keep, change, flip. 1 times 1 is 1. 4 8's are 32. Okay. So now we've got 1/8 divided by, we've got to multiply that by 8 eighths. 4 8's are 32. 1 times 8 is 8. Now we've got 8 at the bottom, so it's 1 divided by 32. Okay. So that can be a little bit tricky. Yeah. So well done for that. Really, really good. It can be tricky, but just keep practicing. Go back through the video that explains it. Try them again. And it's familiarity. It's just practice. It's just practice. All right. Have a good rest of the day and take care of yourself. Bye-bye.